I can move it left or right here.
Right. We're just attaching the brackets right now, you guys, for the splitter left and right.
Big time, no man, diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Do it, I'm big time, lot of slime. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. We are back here today at Carlos' house, and it is a Saturday morning. What is it, Carlos? Like 10 a.m., right? Yep. 10 a.m. around there. And today, if you guys saw my post, we are installing the Racebred splitter onto my 21 Type R. So that's what's going on today. I'm gonna break this up into different parts because it is gonna be a rather long video. Hope we don't run into any issues with the Mishimoto intercooler, because apparently after I bought it, I just heard that there is issues with the Racebred splitter being installed with the Mishimoto intercooler. So we'll see what happens, but there's no other man better than the job than Carlos. You want to say what's up, bro?
Hey, what's up? Here's the baby.
Oh, he already got it unboxed. There it is, you guys. Man, it is big. See if I can get it down here a little bit. Hold on there. Alright, there we go. Damn. It's nice though.
Yeah, it is.
It looks really good. We'll add the Racebred sticker to the back, Carlos. Might as well.
On the glass?
On the glass, yeah. Yeah, you guys, so that's what's going on. We're just preparing everything right now, and I'll keep you guys updated through the video, and we'll get it started. Alright?
Much love and blessings, Skylyfe. Alright, you guys, we are back at the garage with Mr. Carlos.
He's busy right now with the jack and everything, but we have the hardware now for the Racebred splitter. It's in that box, so the brackets and the hardware is in there. The splitter's over right there by Carlos. Car is jacked up, it's ready to go. This will be the last exterior mod you guys see on this car until the MHI Stage 2 turbo build is done. So once that is done, I will work on the side skirts. So I'm going to go with them using side skirts or knockoffs, whatever it is, you know. And obviously the front's going to have the carbon fiber done and the Racebred splitter. So that's going to be cool. But you guys, I can't wait till we start the MHI Stage 2 turbo build. Literally just have to order the fuel pump. I have the injectors. I have obviously the turbo, you know, and things like that. So you got to order the PRL gasket kit as well, and then the PFE fuel line for the flex fuel if I'm going that route. I might be doing what Mr. Justice CTR is right over here. Okay, he's over here at Carlos' house. He's getting a full build done, and he's going to be on full race gas. So he's doing that. Shout out to the homie. We'll see. I don't know. I might do flex. I might do race gas. It really just depends. It'll be one of the two. One map for 91, and then one map for race gas or ethanol. But we'll see. I'll ask Carlos his advice probably during the video, see what he thinks. But yeah. Alright guys, I'll check back to you a little bit.
Here is the release brackets.
Obviously they're super strong. Man, they're strong. And then here's all the hardware. And this is like a tank, you know. Wow. Look at all this. Yeah, right. Like I don't know how to do any of this. No. I only know, you guys, like beginner, intermediate stuff like intake, the blow-off valve, inlet pipe, things like that. You know, like mid-pipe exhaust stuff. No turbos, no splitter install like this. Front bumper removal, maybe I could do by myself, but it's going to take me longer than others, you know. But it is what it is. That's why I got Carlos. That's why I got other homies helping me out. So, yep, gotta pay to play. Isn't that right, Carlos?
Yep.
If you don't know how to do it yourself, you gotta ask somebody to assist you. So, yeah. But I'm learning as we go, you guys. So, it's just, I think the Evo is such a, it's just so much easier to work on than this car. I used to do a lot of work on my Evo. That was fun. But yeah, I'm gonna check back with you guys. Sorry, I'm a little out of it. I'm just getting over being sick. It's like I get it and I get rid of it and it comes back, and you know, I don't know. It's just going around in AZ like crazy right now. Carlos just had it too. So this respiratory shit is no joke. But alright, y'all, check back. Well, y'all, front bumper is removed and we're working on getting the OEM plastic functional splitter off. Well, Carlos is doing it. I helped him get the bumper off, but that's about it. He's under there on his little creeper, getting it off.
I can move it left or right here.
Right. We're just attaching the brackets right now, you guys, for the splitter left and right. Just measuring, I should say. We're not really attaching. You gotta measure. Because as you guys can clearly see, this front mount intercooler potentially might be an issue because it sticks out so far and it's so wide, the depth, right? Coming right here. It's a lot bigger than a PRL, okay? It's bigger than a 27.1, you know, all those other intercoolers. The Mishimoto is pretty big. Carlos knows, he runs the same thing. So, what do you think, Carlos?
Could make it fit.
Make it fit. But apparently Racebred, you guys, they did not do testing or anything with the Mishimoto, so there might be an issue here. We'll see. But it's going to be very close. Might rub. Which I don't want. Carlos already made the cut adjustments on the plastic to obviously allow the brackets to sit. So that's what we're doing now, measuring up. That's what we're doing now, we're measuring up everything, you guys. So. I got it right here, bro. My side's right here.
Yeah, apparently this thing is gotta be tight before I can put anything.
Alright.
Let me take it out again.
Take it out?
Yeah. You gotta take those two bolts and then hook it on. Close but not close, yeah.
Draw on the bumper, yo. Whatever it's called, it is the bumper, right?
It's a crash
beam.
Crash bar, crash beam, yeah.
Yep.
long as it doesn't rotate, we should be fine. Yeah, it rotates still.
All right, you guys, we're just attaching the anchors here, and obviously we have to cut. You can't leave this hanging. You gotta cut the excess wire right here. Make it nice and tight. As you guys can see, it is fully stabilized. There's a lot of work, Carlos, for all the drilling and everything, but sir, you got it done?
Yep.
Obviously I did not do anything with that part. These brackets go right there, so this is for the other side. Put the bolts through here, which I did right there. And he's just checking the level, right, Carlos?
Yep.
Where are we at? 0.1?
Yep.
0.1?
Yeah, 0.2.
0.2.
Yep.
So it's okay?
Yep, it's within tolerance.
So obviously you guys have to check the level when you're doing this splitter install, because if it's not level, then it'll go, you know, that direction or that direction. So you want it this, just flat level right here. That's what he was doing. He's using his phone to check the level, which is a great tool. So, obviously this is the quick release mechanism right here. Really cool. And then the pins. Well, whoops. We're reversing the brackets real quick right here. You guys, we had them the wrong way. But we caught it, you know, so we're just fixing it. I thought it was right, but yeah, I was wrong. It goes that way. Carlos is doing it right now. Get up closer so you guys can see how it works. Yeah, see? This is that way. And then it goes through, right?
Can do something like that. This is already pinched. Just do this.
Put it through the hole and then mount it up. Yep. Because you already measured this and just got to put that off, right? Oops, shit, hit the camera. My bad, y'all. Ready?
Right?
Yep.
Remember the fog lights.
Oh. Oops. God.
I gotta put the fog lights
out.
You know when you're ready.
Yep.
You good?
No.
Yep. Nope. You gotta go around the wire. I had to do it on my side. On my side.
Oh, yeah.
On the back side of the wire, so it doesn't.
Right here?
So it doesn't stretch out the cable. So on the back of the wire.
I have enough room though, bro.
You know what I mean? I mean, if you have room on your side, on mine I didn't have room.
Right. Still can't see it though.
There we go, thank you. That helped.
I got it, bro. Jeez.
Watch out. Now here we go.
Yep.
Got my side.
No. I'm off.
Alright. There we go. Nice and tight.
There we go. What you guys think? Now we just got to put all the clips on, but the install is pretty much finished. Take this off. Racebred. Very solid. Yeah, it ain't going nowhere, dude. It's cool because it has flex on the sides. So Carlos was explaining the battle arrow is actually full metal reinforced on the sides too, so there's no flex whatsoever. But I don't know. I guess for certain situations it's good with flex and others it's not. Probably like full race you don't want any flex at all, right?
Yeah, I guess.
I don't know. It's hard to explain. Alright you guys, the install is done. Everything is buttoned back up. Show you guys a close up here. Racebred. Not going anywhere. Yeah, nothing. Stand on it literally. From this angle. Beautiful. Great job, Carlos. Thank you, sir. Thank you to the wife. Not what Carlos' wife. But awesome job. And that's gonna do it, you guys, for this video. It is late night. Carlos has to get to bed. But much love and major blessings to everybody. This is another video with Skylyfe Projects. Never give up, never hesitate, always put your best foot forward. Live life to your fullest, count your blessings. Skylyfe. Till next time, guys, we out.